morning, children. Already you have learned number names, the smallest and largest 4-digit number. Now you are going to learn in this chapter the exciting thing, that is the face value and place value. So now let us start our lesson. What is face value? By looking at my face, what do you say? Oh, she is Preeti ma'am. Don't you recognize me? By looking at this, what do you say? Ma'am, this is a pencil box. By looking at this sketch pen, what do you say? This is a sketch pen. By looking at this, what do you say? This is a scale, isn't it so? By looking at any digit, don't you recognize? What is this number? 8, 9, 7, 1. So by looking at anything, what you recognize, what you see, that is face value. That is face value. Face value is the value of the digit itself at whatever the place it may be. At whatever the place it may be. Don't bother about the places. Already you have learned the places. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 4 places you have learned. Isn't it so? Now we don't have to bother about those things, because face value, by looking at that digit, what is the number you are going to say? That is the face value. The value of the digit itself at whatever the place it may be. At whatever place it may be. Understood? The value of the digit itself, that is called face value. Now see here, one number I gave you, 4216. 4216. What is the face value of 6 in 4216? What is the face value? By looking at this number, what do you say? That is 6. So this is the place value. This is the face value of 6 is 6. Face value of 1 is 1. Whatever the place may be, we don't have to bother about that. The face value of 2 is 2. The face value of 4 is 4. We don't have to think about anything. What is that digit? What is that number? By looking at that, you have to say that number. That is the face value. Understood everybody what is face value? No need to think anything. Just look at that digit and say that digit. That is the face value of that number. Understood? By looking at 6, you can say the face value of 6 is 6. By looking at this, the face value of 1 is 1. The face value of 2 is 2. The face value of 4 is 4. The face value of any number is that same number. That is face value. Understood? Shall we move to place value now? Okay. The word itself, place value. So here we have to think of places. Already you have learned ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. This is the place value chart where we write all the places. You have learned 4 places, so I have written only 4 places. So now the places are, again I am repeating, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So here I have given one number, 7869. So shall we write this number in the place value chart? That is 9 is in ones place, 6 in tens place, 8 in hundreds place, and 7 in thousands place. So now, how to find the place value? Place value means where a digit is in that number tells us how much it worths. How much it worths. The place value of a digit depends upon its position, where that number is. It depends upon the position in the place value chart. The value of the place value of the digit is depends upon its position, depends upon now 8 depends upon its position. It is in hundreds place, its position in the place value chart. Okay, if this 8 is in hundreds place, so 800. If 8 would be in tens place, that would be 8 tens. If 8 is in ones place, that would be only 8. If 8 is in thousands place, that would be 8,000. Isn't it? Depends upon its position in the place value chart. That is place value. Okay. So, now the numbers are there. How to find the place value? That digit multiplied with that place. That digit multiplied with that place. Okay. Now, the digit is 9. The place is ones. So, 9 multiplied by 1 is equal to 9 is the place value of 9 in 7,869. Understood? I have written the number and the place. 9 multiplied by 1 is equal to 9. So, the place value of 9 is 9. Okay. Now, the place value of 6. 6 is in tens place. 6 is in tens place. So, 6 multiplied by 10. 6 multiplied by 10. 6 tens are 60. So, 60 is the place value of 6 in 7,869. Understood? Now, the place value of 8. 8 multiplied by 100. 8 multiplied by 100. 8 multiplied by 100, that is 800. That is 800. So, the place value of 8 is 800. Now, the place value of 7. 7 is in thousands place. So, 7 multiplied by 1000 is equal to 7,000. Have you understood now? Shall we take one more number? Now, here see 7. 7 is in ones place. So, 7 ones are 7. Here 3 is in tens place. 3 tens are 30. 2 is in hundreds place. So, 2 hundreds are 200. 5 is in thousands place. 5 multiplied by 1000 is equal to 5,000. Have you understood now? 7 is in ones place. So, 7 multiplied 1 is 1. 3 is in tens place. 3 multiplied by 10 is equal to 30. 2 is in hundreds place. 2 multiplied by 100 is equal to 200. 5 is in thousands place. So, 5 multiplied by 1000 is equal to 5,000. Have you understood? Now, shall we take one more number? Now, 6,027. In hundreds place, there is 0. Always 0 has special character, isn't it? So, 0, we have to pay special attention to 0. Whenever we multiply by 0, we get 0. Isn't it so? Whenever we multiply by any number, we get 0. So, here it is in hundreds place. 0 multiplied by 100 is equal to 0. So, the place value of 0 is always 0, wherever it may be. The place value of 0 is always 0, wherever it may be. Understood? So, here 7 ones are 7. 2 tens are 20. 0 hundreds are 0. 6,000. 6 thousands are 6,000.